America, where there is development, but animals are not safe. This is not the story of a third world country. This is the story of the world's most powerful country, the United States. America, where there is technology, freedom, and constant talk about human rights. But in this very country, every year, millions of animals are silently tortured. Dogs, cats, cows, monkeys, and those animals who cannot speak. This video is not emotional. It is factual. This video is not made to go viral. It is made to tell the truth. Pet abuse. In America, the most cruelty happens to pets. Dogs are tied with chains and left to starve, locked inside hot cars during extreme heat, tied outside in freezing snow and cold, beaten, burned, shot. All of these cases are documented. Every year, millions of pets never even make it to shelters, because they are already killed before that. And most of this happens behind closed doors. That's why the world never sees it. Dog fighting, illegal but alive. Dog fighting is illegal in America. Yet it still exists, underground. In this, two dogs are forced to fight. The fight continues until blood is spilled. The dog that loses is killed on the spot. The most shocking part? This crime is linked to drug mafias and organized gangs. Some dogs are used as bait dogs, so other dogs can be trained by tearing them apart. This is not just animal cruelty. This is a failure of the entire system. Meat industry, legal cruelty. Now let's talk about the cruelty that is legal. America is the world's biggest meat consumer. In factory farms, cows and pigs are not even given space to walk. Chickens are kept in extremely small cages. Surgeries are done without painkillers. Animals are killed alive using electric shocks or gas. All of this is allowed under the law. That's why it is called hidden cruelty. You see the burger, but not the pain behind it. Laboratory experiments. Every year in America, tens of millions of animals are tested in laboratories. Rabbits, mice, monkeys, dogs. On them, chemicals are poured into their eyes. Their skin is burned. Toxic medicines are tested. The reason given is science and medical progress. But the question is, does progress always have to mean someone else's pain?